G'day, how's it going? Welcome to another episode of the wonderful Waikato Sheds. Come on inside and have a look at what we got in here. What do you reckon, Jay?
This is fantastic. You're gonna love what you're gonna see in this shed today. Now this shed is 10 years old and it is just chocked full of awesomeness. We got some of the coolest cars I've ever seen in my life and one of the coolest designs we've ever done in a shed. So I'm pumped, I'm excited to see what we've got coming on inside here. So come on in, you'll love it.
So one of the awesome things about this shed is the client really wanted to make it customized to him. Obviously clear span to fit all these beautiful cars in. No point having big posts coming down, more room for damage. Don't want to back in and ruin one of these bad boys. Jason, how did it get designed and what actually went on?
All right, so the client came in, he saw Brian and he said, I need a special shed. It's got to match in with the house. So there were covenants and that's why we've got the facade at the front. We've got bricks on the front and then we've got the tiles on the roof. We've also got the rest of it's all colour steel in that. Then we went to our engineer, Jamie McCready, and went, all right, design us something. We want a cool mono pitch look, but we don't want any posts in it. And you know us, Waikato Sheds, will make it happen. And so we look up here and we've got some serious strength by design. We've actually got apex braces and we've got a crossover system up here and we've got strength like you wouldn't believe. And it just provides an ability to have a clear span space and just unrivaled awesomeness. Each one of these bays, 6 meters in length. How many bays? 6. What's 6 times 6, Sean?
36.
That's the type of maths we're dealing with here. So 12 times 36, what do we got?
Whoo! 432 square meters.
That's why he's on the big money, boys. So that's the size of this shed. Residential setting, it is just fantastic. We've seen some awesome sheds already, but this one could be taking the cake of New Zealand's greatest garage. Yeah, the machinery in here is amazing. The shed is amazing. Shout out to the guys, Ryan Billings, who we were only talking about a couple of weeks ago. He built this shed with the crew, Kelvin Lalich guys. But Billings, he's done a great job. A1, Bobcats and concrete, they've done the floor. So phenomenal work. New Zealand steel, as you can see, it just stands the test of time. I mean, we go into sheds that are 2 weeks old. This one's 10 years old and you can just see the structure is rock solid, all bolted together. My favourite girts and that. So it's just an excellent job. Colour steel on the cladding. And we've got the garage door, sectional doors in there as well. So Waikato doors, our friend's done those. Yeah, it's just an excellent job. Konnect with the fastenings. So yeah, phenomenal effort and it's just a phenomenal shed. So thanks for showing us around, Dick. It's just been a pleasure to see this
Thanks
one.
for having us. It's awesome.
All right, guys, thanks for that. Like this one, share us, subscribe it. You know what to do. But anyway, thanks for watching. It's awesome.